Senator in nomination for the position of Senator for Senate District 27. When I see Andrew here, I see him as a dad, a father, a husband, and that's a great place to start, isn't it? We appreciate that. And I think the other thing, though, the reason why I am so glad to be able to recommend to you and nominate Andrew, I see him in the inner halls of St. Paul. I see him as chair of Civil Law Committee when I present a bill before his committee, well-run committee, and he's a conservative in the bills he chooses to hear as chair. He's a conservative in the way he does things. And so I get to see him there. And so I get to tell you, there would not be many people that I would say that as I'm not running for re-election as senator, that I'm really, really glad that Senator Andrew Matthews will be my senator next year. So I'm a bit picky about that. I really want somebody who is solidly conservative, pro-life, pro-Second Amendment, understands the Constitution, has read the Constitution, quote the Constitution, and I think that's really important. I mean, you need that. And so I am just so pleased that in every single action that I've seen Andrew take, it has been respectful and firmly committed to the principles of our Republican Party platform as a conservative, and also thinking about you, the people, in what he does. And so with that, I'm just so proud and so honored to nominate Andrew Matthews for Senator for Senate District 27.